Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Calculus problems involving derivatives often confuse students, but you can master this concept quickly by focusing on the specific meaning of the instantaneous rate of change. The derivative n prime of t represents the instantaneous rate of change of the number of members. It tells us how fast the membership count is changing at any specific moment. At t equals 4, the derivative equals 13. This means at exactly 4 months, the membership count is increasing at a rate of 13 members per month. Boom, instantaneous snapshot found. Option A describes total change, not rate. Option C describes acceleration, or the rate of change of the rate. Option D describes an average rate over an interval, not instantaneous change. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Don't confuse average rates with instantaneous ones. Always check your units to stay on track.